Guys, today is something typical Italian. Peperonata. Cut the peppers, okay? It's nice idea. Easy and clean. Take a bowl, cut any way you like, Something like that. And always, guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel, and check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. We are not master chef, we cook for the family, simple stuff. You know, my pepper is done. Now I cut courgette I had in the fridge. I take this, and just you can chop the way you like, You see? Like that. Put in the plate, cut all your courgette, and later we start cooking. I had in the fridge 1.5 courgette. I just cut like this. The pan is already on. Olive oil, quite nice. We'll be generous because we're gonna fry it. This is extra virgin olive oil. Garlic. When it starts a little bit, cook already, we add the peppers. And now, gentle the flame. When they go a little bit down, we're gonna season it. We go with salt and pepper, how much you like. Oregano, this is a fresh one. If you don't have this, you can use the normal one, the dry one. Mix everything. I add as well these olives, if you like. Tablespoon of puree. And mix everything. The smell is already super. We done 10 minutes. I want something like this, a little bit is perfect. Courgette in. Mix everything. Leave to cook couple minutes, is ready. Check the salt and pepper. Turn it off. Butter. Put in. Oh, look at the smell. Oh. If you like the garlic, you can keep. If not, you can take it out. Absolutely amazing. Look at it. Fantastic. Guys, my peperonata is just pepper with courgette and olives. Is this. Always, if you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao.